Hi friends, welcome to High School at Home. Tonight we'll try to answer a very simple question: how to sign up for free classes with High School at Home. All right, I'll walk you through the steps, the full registration, so you can see. So let's see what we'll do. The first thing you'll do is to sign up. How do you sign up? It's very simple. You'll be given your friend, somebody might have forward you a link, and in that link, um, when you press that link, you get the sign up page. The sign up page will open. You scroll down the sign up page, you will see a space for you to add your name and your email address. Once you do that, you press sign up, and that's it. That's your first step. Sign up. Sign up. Now, when you sign up, notice step number two. You must confirm your subscription. We will not be able to, and we should not send you emails without you confirming that you want to have emails from us. All right. So yes, you must confirm. If you don't confirm, you will not benefit from the class. All right. So you must confirm your subscription. The next step is to download and install Slack app. Now Slack app, we use Slack app in High School at Home because to my mind, it is more convenient and it is better suited for a classroom environment, a virtual classroom environment, than WhatsApp group. Um, Early in the pandemic, I tried using WhatsApp group with students, and one of the difficulties students had is to track all the messages. Imagine you have 20, 30, 40 students um, sending texts, and it the group can go really crazy. That's one. Two, um, students kind of lose focus when they use WhatsApp group. And more importantly, when you use WhatsApp group, you are actually sharing the whole class phone number. So you are literally giving away the students' privacy. When you use Slack, we use Slack because when you use Slack, you get to send messages, you get to receive messages, you get to share images, pictures, notes, whatever, all of that in a much more organized manner. And at the same time, the student will not have to share their email. The student will not have to share their phone number with other students. All right. So you manage to maintain some privacy. And that is why I insist in using Slack app as our High School at Home virtual classroom. All right. So you download Slack app and you wait for a invite. Now, if you don't get an invite, you can always uh, WhatsApp me and say, sir, I did sign up, but I did not get a invite to Slack app. Kindly invite me. When you do that, you will have to send me your name in WhatsApp as well as your email address, similar to your sign up a moment that we talked about a moment ago. When you finish doing that, all right, I will send you an invite. Make sure that you download and install Slack app before before you accept the Slack app invite in your email. That will save you a lot of trouble, because if you don't download it before and you click that link, you may be asked to create a workspace, and you don't want to create a workspace because I've already created that for you. So all you're doing is to join my workspace, and the name of that workspace is High School at Home. Now, don't worry, I will show you all of this that I'm saying now um, just shortly. All right. And the last step, for you to have access to all our notes, all previous notes, any textbook, and so on, past exam papers, everything is posted in Slack app. All right. For you to have access to that, you have to use a Slack app. So let's go through the process. I will show the link on screen. I'll click the link and walk you through the process as much as I can now. All right, so let's do that. I will change screen now. Right, and next I will show you the link. So you might have gotten this link from somebody. Right, what do you do with that link? All you have to do is to go and you click that link. If you click that link, let's see what happens. Notice what happens. There is a pop-up that is asking us if we want to open this link. Yes, you will say yes, you want to open the link. And there you go, the link is opening. Now I'll bring the link here and the link is open. All right, the next step, this is the link. So you can read, and here I will, let's do it, yeah. In this link, you'll see how to sign up. You enter your name and your email address and you press sign up. All right, but very, very importantly, after you click sign up, check your email and confirm your free subscription. There are a few students right now, and I don't have their contact number, so I can't contact them. I did send them an email. I did copy their email and send it, but students are not in the habit of even checking their email. By the way, once you sign up to High School at Home, start getting in the habit of checking your email daily. All right, at least daily. Right, so I was saying to you, once you press sign up, you put in your name and your email address and you press sign up. Make sure that you click sign up and you check your email. Check your email and you will see a notice asking you to confirm. Asking you to do what? To confirm your subscription. You must do that. Once you confirm your subscription, you will receive an email from us at High School at Home um, outlining the full registration process. All right, and that will tell you how much weeks of free classes you will have, and if you want to continue in the class, you have two options. The options that is available: one completely free year, one complete free year of classes you can have. If you can't afford the registration fee, all you have to do is to get two recommendations from your teacher. One must be from a senior teacher in your secondary school, and of course that senior teacher, we expect them to include this school stamp on their recommendation. All right, and that will give you a full year of free. You don't pay anything at all if you that is the free option, completely free. The other option, again, the classes will be free. However, we are asking you for a small registration fee. You have my WhatsApp number. You call, um, and we'll talk about that. All right. So next point. You must check your email again a second time. All right. This time when you check your email, you'll see you'll see the process to to complete your full registration. Notice I'm calling this sign up. All you did is to indicate your interest here, and once you indicate your interest, you get 9 weeks of free, completely free classes. All right, and after that, you can get your teacher to send me two recommendation, and you get full year of free class. You must, but I insist that you must get two recommendations from your teacher, and this is for students who can't afford the registration fee. All right, which is also a very small fee. So you'll do that. All right. So that's it. Now let me tell you about this Slack app a little. Now notice in high school at home you're using this Slack app. You'll be once you get into Slack app, it's always free. The Zoom app conditions apply for the class started already the 9th of September 2001. All right, and the Canvas LMS is under construction. All right. Now this video will be posted here also for you guys to follow along. So that's your registration process. Um, if you have any questions, feel free to ask. Yep, let's see. Oh yes, please pay attention to the blue writing here. It tells you the registration process, and it will tell you where to find what. All right. Importantly, before the class, you must get the Zoom ID and password. And where will you find it? You will find it in the Slack app. So you have to download the Slack app. All right. I will just show you a moment what the Slack app look like, so that when you see it, you will not feel too strange. All right, because many of you have never used it. So let's do that now. So let me get the Slack app to open. Where is it? Got it there. So this is, oops, let's see, welcome, good. Right, so that was some students there. All right, I don't want to show you guys the students. Right. All I want to show you is, okay, so I can move this across a little. Yep. So notice in Slack app, you have, this is direct messages, drafts. If somebody mention you, or they react to something that you, let me take this off for you to see that properly. Good. So right, these are channels in Slack app. You have what you call channels. All right. So once you're in Slack app, we have channels, and each channel got when you click on the channel, you will find you can imagine it just like when you change your channel on your TV. You will see what's happening in that channel, or you can think of the channel as a room. All right. When you click on the channel there, right, you'll see. But if I click, I risk showing you some students' name and so on, and I don't want to do that now. So, but this is the channels. The channel that you should pay attention to would be the welcome channel. In the welcome channel, you will find a welcome notice, and that welcome notice also, that is important because the welcome notice will give you the Zoom ID. It will give you the password for the Zoom. It will also tell you the do's and the don'ts. Yes, we have a little rules. Um, I try to make it as short as possible, um, essentially to discourage troublemakers, right? People who might just um, may just have the tendency to be disruptive, right? So to discourage that, right? So I think I've said enough on this video. I hope you guys and notice I'm seeing a red mark here at the bottom. It means that somebody mentioned my name in a message, and if I click that, I will get that. But I don't want to click it now because I don't want to show you the students there. I can show you a total of, since COVID started, a total of 309 students did use, are using, well, some of them, the old students went away, but so far I've had 309 students use high school at home Slack app. All right, that's the total number. All right, so that's all, guys. We can go back to this screen and take this off. So recap quickly, put in your name, make sure you confirm. Okay, sorry, I didn't publish that. Yes, so I'm saying, recap quickly, make sure you put your name. Step 2 is very, very important. Confirm your subscription. Download and install Slack app. When you download and install Slack app, then you accept invite to Slack app. I will send you an invite in an email or through WhatsApp. If you don't get an invite in your email, you can send me a message in WhatsApp asking me, just send me your name and your email in WhatsApp, and I will send you an invite to Slack app. But remember, you have to download and install Slack app before you accept the invitation. All right, and next step is for you to um, learn to use, to find the resources that is available. Now, in this Slack app, we have a lot of textbooks that you can use, not only for maths, but for chemistry, for physics, and so on. So there are resources available for you. I hope you take advantage of this and use it. So again, see you guys in class. Take care. Bye.